How to fix you need the official WhatsApp login problem. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So this problem occurs in the most of the user that uses modified version of WhatsApp, that are GV WhatsApp and FM WhatsApp. So what you have to do is go to your files and then go to internal storage. After that, you will find a folder of GB WhatsApp here. Now, simply uninstall the folder or delete the folder totally. Or you can also rename where there is GB WhatsApp and then instead of that put WhatsApp. So after renaming all those, what you will have to do is go to your Play Store and then simply search for WhatsApp Messenger. Simply search for WhatsApp Messenger and then this is the one you would be looking for. Simply install it and now you won't face that problem where it says you need to you need the official WhatsApp. So you will get to the interface like this and done. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.